We are down to the footer. So just have to get this brushed off clean. It's a pretty small crack, so I don't know how much grinding I'm going to need to do to put the hydrostatic cement in. If you're wondering what this giant tank is, it's my oil burning furnace that will hopefully be replaced soon. But yeah, let's get it cleaned off and get it waterproofed. Alright y'all, we are back at the foundation crack. Fun fact, this actually filled up with water yesterday. Had to shop vac it out, but we have gotten it mostly dry and are going to start the grinding process. Well, I'm not the biggest fan of PPE. We are grinding concrete and silica dust is no joke when it comes to your lungs. So throw on some glasses, throw on a mask, and you could go. For those of you wondering, this is the dirty curb blade from Crown Tools. It's great. Cuts anything pretty much. Yeah. We're going to be using Quickcrete hydraulic cement for this. Got it to what looks like a paste-like consistency. I'm gonna grab a glove and we're gonna apply. All right, we got it covered from everywhere we ground out. I tried to smash it in that crack as best as I possibly could, and even kind of globbed it up a little bit at the bottom there, but overall pretty happy. We're gonna let it dry for 24 hours and then apply some Blue Max. Also, this stuff dries wildly quick, so use with caution. All right, y'all, next day. Hydraulic cement is fully dry. I just cleared out the bottom as best as I could to make sure it was nice and dry for the rubberized waterproof coating. First coat coming up. We're gonna be using Blue Max White Edition because I don't want royal blue painted on the side of my foundation. I figured white was better. So, chip brush and whiz roller. I think this is 1/2 inch nap. Is that funny? Alright, we're going to use the chip brush to get down at the base of the footer and the foundation wall, and then probably touch up around here to not get it too much around this buck. Okay, we got the first coat done. All the way down to the base. Globbed it up real good up against the footer. We're gonna give this a 4-hour dry time, and then second coat. Coat number 2. All right, it has been a little over 4 hours, so we are ready for recoat. That is all she wrote for exterior waterproofing. We're gonna let this dry completely for 24 hours. And then just to protect it even more, we're gonna throw on some foam over top of where we put the waterproofing, and then backfill. This is day 4 of fixing my foundation roof. 2 coats of the waterproofing rubberized paint stuff have been put on. It's dry. I don't think it fully cures until 48 hours maybe. It's been about 20 right now. This is not going to do anything in terms of insulation. It's more just going to protect the lower parts of the rubberized coating that didn't get as much sun. And I don't want a bunch of clay and dirt sitting up against it while it tries to cure.